Hi, this is Amelia. Welcome to my channel. Subscribe so we can get together every week. This week, our story is called Catching Flight, Soaring on the Wings of Birds. Written and illustrated by Rebecca Lowell. Narrated by Amelia Pan. Catch the current of a bird's wing. Dance with hoping to open skies. Your wings have found you in a moment of wonder and caught you by surprise. Eastern Bluebird. They lift you and spin you, swirl you and dip you, reveal a sparkling view. Tree Swallow. And fill you with light. Yellow Warbler. A whisper of courage carries you into a bright new day. Ruby-throated Hummingbird. You take off on the updraft of a curious breeze. Chase it, find out. Where will it bring you? Arctic Tern. If your wings grow tired, your flock is there, sharing the weight of the wind with you. Canada Goose. Trust them and believe in your own wings too. They will carry you the distance through storms and through sun, wrapping you in warmth wherever you land. Red-tailed Hawk. And even when the night is cold, Northern Saw-whet Owl. The sun always rises to fill your sky. You fluff your feathers, unfold your wings to the dawn. Northern Cardinal. And fly. Bald Eagle. The end. Alright, this is the end of the story. I hope you enjoyed it just as I did. See you next week. Ciao for now.